Do you struggle with age spots that keep coming back, no matter what creams you try? What if I told you the secret isn't just in skincare, it's on your plate? In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful natural foods that can help reduce age spots and bring back your youthful glow. A patient once asked me, are there really natural foods or nutrients that can help reduce age spots? The answer is yes, and today I'll show you 7 foods that support healthier, clearer skin. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on notifications if you're concerned about your health so that you can stay updated on relevant health-related topics. If appropriate, please type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. We are dedicated to improving our content so that we can offer real support. Age spots, sometimes called liver spots or solar lentigines, are those flat brown patches that often appear on the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. They are mainly caused by years of exposure to ultraviolet light, which overstimulates melanocytes, the pigment-producing cells in your skin. Over time, too much melanin builds up, resulting in darker patches on the surface of the skin. But UV light isn't the only factor. As we age, our body's natural defenses against free radical damage weaken. Free radicals break down collagen, harm skin cells, and accelerate melanin accumulation. Genetics can also play a role, making some people more prone to age spots than others. So, what can you do? Medical treatments like laser therapy, chemical peels, or whitening creams can help, but prevention and daily care matter most. Wearing sunscreen daily, avoiding prolonged sun exposure, and using antioxidant-rich skincare products can protect your skin. And here's the exciting part. The foods you eat can also make a huge difference. When you nourish your body with skin-healing nutrients, you help your skin repair itself naturally from the inside out. But are we aware that the quality of our skin deteriorates with age? The quantity of cells that contain pigment declines with age. Skin becomes paler and thinner as a result of this disorder. Other signs include the development of dark blotches, commonly referred to as age spots. These patches usually appear on parts of the skin that are frequently exposed to the sun. Moreover, collagen, a protein found in skin tissue, produces less oil as we age. As a result, the skin may become drier and more prone to itching. Thankfully, there are plenty of beauty lotions and creams available to help prevent premature aging. Vitamin C-rich lotions, for instance, can help prevent wrinkles. However, using cosmetics isn't the only technique for avoiding premature aging. Recognizing dark spots. Dark spots are patches of skin that look darker than the rest of the skin. These patches are often black, but they can sometimes be dark brown. Although dark spots are frequently observed on the face, they can also be found on the hands, feet, and back. Although they can develop anytime, middle-aged individuals are most likely to have these black spots. Long-term sun exposure is typically the source of black patches on the face. As a result, areas of the body frequently exposed to sunlight have these black blotches. Dark spots could also be a side effect of some medications or be connected to skin issues. Hyperpigmentation is another term frequently used to describe dark areas. When melanocyte cells in the skin produce excessive melanin, hyperpigmentation results. Skin, eyes, and hair all have their own color because of melanin. More sun exposure makes the body produce more melanin, protecting the skin from UV rays. Dark pigmentation shields the skin from further sun exposure dangers. Signs and symptoms. A person's skin tone determines how dark their facial spots are. Some are light brown, some are dark brown, some are brown, and some are black. If hyperpigmentation is the cause of the dark patches on the face, the texture stays the same. Moreover, these areas don't hurt to the touch. Dark patches on the face also differ in size and appearance. They typically have a diameter of roughly 13 millimeters and are flat and oval in shape. Since their color contrasts with the surrounding skin, they are easier to spot in clusters. Reasons. Dark patches on the face can have several causes. The sun's UV rays are the most frequent cause, particularly for middle-aged individuals, 45 to 65 years old. At this age, the effects of extended sun exposure typically start to show, particularly if you haven't regularly shielded your skin from the sun or used sunscreen. Unbelievably, eating a balanced diet can also help you avoid getting old too soon. Which foods can maintain the youthful appearance of your skin? Let's look at 7 natural foods that may reduce age spots and support glowing skin. 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, kiwi, lemon, grapefruit. Rich in vitamin C, these fruits boost collagen production and brighten skin tone while protecting against oxidative stress. 2. Nuts and seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts. Packed with vitamin E, they repair skin tissue and protect against UV-induced damage. 3. Carrots and sweet potatoes. These are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. They shield skin cells from oxidative stress and promote even pigmentation. 4. Green tea, filled with polyphenols, especially catechins. Green tea fights free radical damage and helps reduce hyperpigmentation. 5. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. The flavonols in dark chocolate improve circulation, enhance hydration, and make the skin more resilient to UV rays. 6. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish calm inflammation and help keep skin supple and youthful. 7. Spinach and leafy greens. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and trace minerals like zinc and selenium, which support overall skin health and repair. Pair these foods with a lifestyle that includes hydration, regular exercise, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol, and your skin will have the best chance to stay healthy, youthful, and radiant. Remember, your skin reflects what you put inside your body. By choosing these foods every day, you're not just eating for health, you're eating for beauty. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it useful, please share it and provide notifications so you don't miss our next video.